Hey guys, I have for you the highly requested auto detailing starter kit that you're gonna love. Welcome back to another video here on the Euro YouTube channel. Whether you're just starting out in the detailing game or want to upgrade your tools, this detailing kit is an absolute game changer. All right, we're gonna break down what's in our auto detailing starter kit. These high quality tools are gonna make your detailing easy and efficient. From our microfiber towels to our clay bar, we have it all. First up, we have the 36 pack of our 350 GSM microfiber cleaning towels. These guys cover everything detailing, whether interior or exterior. With a 350 GSM build, they're soft, highly absorbent, and gentle on your car's surface. Whether you're wiping down the dashboard, cleaning the wheels, or polishing your paint, these towels are perfect for the job. Plus, you get 36 of them in a single pack, which means you'll never run out. Next up, we have our 6-pack of our 500 GSM Korea Towels. They are made up with 70-30 polyesters to polyamide, giving them ultra softness and absorbency. They are perfect for delicate surfaces like your car's paint, and they're thicker, which makes them excellent for drying or buffing off wax without leaving any streaks. Trust me, these towels are a must-have if you're after a high-quality finish. Now let's talk about the Chenille Wash Mitt. The thick plush Chenille microfiber is super gentle on your car's finish while still being excellent at lifting dirt and grime. The mitt fits comfortably in your hand, and with the long, thick fibers, it traps dirt so it doesn't scratch your paint. It's perfect for a safe, swirl-free wash. When keeping your gear organized, taking up the least amount of space is key. That's where this collapsible bucket with handle comes in handy. It's compact and portable, and when you're done using it, you can collapse it for easy storage. But don't let the size fool you. This bucket is sturdy and has a capacity of 10 liters and is perfect for your wash water or any other cleaning needs. Moving on to the microfiber clay mitt. If you're looking for a smooth glass finish on your car's paint, then this clay treatment is for you. The clay side removes embedded contaminants, stubborn gunk, bird droppings, and more. And the microfiber side ensures a smooth finish without any damage. This makes it easier and less messy than using traditional clay bars. Drying your towel without leaving any water spots is a must, so that's where our huge Waffle Weave towel with pockets comes in. This towel is massive, and the Waffle Weave design absorbs more water than traditional terry weave and ensures super fast drying. Plus, the built-in pockets makes it easier to handle and maneuver. And last but definitely not least, we have the Suede microfiber coating applicator sponges. These guys are perfect for applying waxes, coatings, and sealants. The soft suede texture is gentle on your car's surface while giving you a precise application. You can use these sponges for a flawless finish, ensuring your car gets the professional protection it deserves. We also have the less absorbent version of this product. This blue sponge has a specifically designed laminated barrier layer between the suede microfiber and the sponge, ensuring that the coating application product does not get overused, saving you time and money. And there you have it, the complete auto detailing starter kit. From microfiber towels to coating applicators, this kit has got you covered with all things detailing, making your experience fast and efficient. So if you're interested in these products, check out the links in the description below to our Amazon store and website. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment what kind of videos you want to see next. Be sure to follow us on our social media, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.